Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you claim a red packet into your Bitget wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to claim, you just simply have to open your Bitget wallet application, and after opening the Bitget wallet you will get to see a bunch of options. Among them, you just simply have to select this more option at very first. After tapping into more, you will get this red packet into the earn section. Tap into red packet, and after tapping into there, first of all, you have to set your red packet into this claim option. Tap to claim, and then you have to enter the red packet password into this section. Just simply enter the red packet password, or you can directly tap to paste and paste the password into here. Just simply do that and tap to claim red packet, which will be available after entering the red packet password. And this way you can easily claim or get the red packet into your Bitget. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.